Education for me is getting out of my comfort zone, pushing my limits. Even like rediscovering the joy of learning. I was forced to do that, not just mug up something, get good grades and get out. I had to learn. That's what I like about this college.
Education, while technical knowledge is very important, these days you can get that from anywhere. You can learn online.
Our Chancellor, Amma, always says, education for living and education for life. At this institute, we always receive both these values.
Education for living and education for life.
Amrita, deemed to be a university, is emerging as one of the fastest growing institutions of higher learning and research excellence in the country, with campuses at Coimbatore, Amritapuri, Kochi, Bangalore and Mysore. Today, this multidisciplinary research and innovation-driven university offers 200 undergraduate, postgraduate and doctoral programs in the disciplines like engineering, nanosciences, business management, biotechnology, medicine, dentistry, Ayurveda, pharmacy, nursing, microbiology, visual media studies, social work, mass communication, arts and sciences. Amrita Vishwa Vidyapeetham has been ranked 9th in the universities category and 16th in the overall category in the 2017 National Institutional Ranking Framework by the Ministry of Human Resource Development, Government of India. Amrita Schools of Engineering at Coimbatore, Bangalore and Amritapuri offer 8 B.Tech and over 30 M.Tech, integrated MSc and MA and PhD programs in the frontier and cutting-edge areas of engineering, science and humanities. All programs follow a choice-based credit system with continuous evaluation as in leading foreign universities and prestigious Indian institutions like IITs and IISc. All schools of engineering at Amrita have excellent infrastructure, well-equipped libraries, learning centers, state-of-the-art teaching and research labs in all departments, and centers of excellence such as e-learning, wireless networks and applications, cybersecurity systems and networks, automotive technologies, educational technologies, computational engineering and networking, robotics, multimodal applications using computer and human interaction, and advanced materials and green technologies. All these centers have sophisticated equipment in their labs, including a wind tunnel, a KMOV-35 helicopter, and MiG-23 fighter aircraft. Her Holiness Sri Mata Amritanandamayi Devi, affectionately called Amma, is the Chancellor of Amrita Vishwa Vidyapeetham. Amrita consistently maintains a 100% placement record for eligible students, with several students placed in international companies. There is a conscious effort to secure placement for students in core engineering companies like Larsen & Toubro, Caterpillar, Robert Bosch, National Instruments, Mahindra, Saint-Gobain and Schneider. More than 300 companies participate in the campus placement drives organized by the Directorate of Corporate and Industry Relations. Every Amrita student goes through a comprehensive life skill program with 6 credits, which includes personality development, verbal and communication skills, aptitude and reasoning abilities, and soft skills. Through its Centers of Entrepreneurship and Technology Business Incubator, the university also mentors and encourages job creators among the students. Amrita has tie-ups with over 100 American, European, Japanese and Australian universities, which include Harvard, Oxford, Berkeley, Princeton, Cornell, Purdue, State University of New York, Buffalo, Milan, Rome, Zurich, Chicago, Deakin and Tokyo.
Om Namah Shivaya. I bow down to our Divine Mother, Mata Amritanandamayi Devi, and pray for the well-being of the entire world. May peace, health and harmony prevail. Dearest children, who could have imagined that we'll be meeting for the first time on a virtual platform? How I wish I could take each of you in the loving embrace and make you feel welcome to this abode of learning. Nevertheless, on the behalf of the entire fraternity, I, Brahmacharini Chinmayamrita Chaitanya, the principal of the school, welcome you to the Amrita family and Amrita Vidyalayam. I assure you and your parents that this institution will be your second home. We will treasure you, nurture your faculties, provide platforms for you so that you can showcase your talents, and above all, we will be with you at each step, seeing you blossoming into a confident and competent individual. I have complete conviction in the proficiency and experience that my affectionate pre-primary educator possesses. I would like to take this opportunity to assure your parents that their children are in the safe and loving hands. Dear children, in this time of crisis, I would sincerely urge you to stay indoors and take all possible measures to be away from this deadly pandemic. Don't worry, these dark clouds will soon fade away and the earth will once again become a beautiful garden in which you can bloom and sway without any fear. Till then, stay home, stay safe. Now, I would like to call my pre-primary coordinator, Mallika Bhattacharya, to address you. Om Namah Shivaya. Have a nice day.
On behalf of entire management and Amrita faculty, I, Mallika Bhattacharya, pre-primary and activity coordinator, extend a very warm and pleasant greeting to everyone viewing this video. It is a matter of great honor and privilege for me to welcome you all on board at Amrita Vidyalayam. Today's session has been designed to build a strong relationship between the school and the parents. On this day, we welcome the new academic session along with our tiny tots. We are also unfortunately faced with unavoidable holidays due to coronavirus outbreak. However, dear parents, let's view life as a continuous learning experience and let us not allow any hurdle to break this joyous journey. In this context, I remember a great saying by an eminent Irish poet, John Donne, a path of plenitude opening before you. Though your destination is not clear, you can trust the promise of the opening. Unfurl yourself to the grace of beginning. Awaken your spirit to adventure. Holding nothing, learn to find ease in risk. How apt these lines are for our dear tiny beginners. We, the teacher, and you, the parents, must work in tandem to provide a conducive environment to our beloved children for their holistic development. Therefore, here is something which shall make you familiar with the learning ethos of the school that has been skillfully designed to facilitate a comprehensive development for each and every child. Dear parents, when a child puts his or her first step inside the premises of an institution, he or she becomes an indispensable part of the school. At Amrita Vidyalayam, we ardently believe that learning is a shared experience and communication between home and school is most vital part of a child's progress. We always aim at providing an encouraging environment and endless opportunity to all our beloved students to help them become dauntless and compassionate. At the same time, we strive hard to cater opportunities to the parents to feel completely involved in their ward's learning progress. Because we believe that parents play a pivotal role in the learning process of a child. In every academic session, apart from the stipulated curriculum, various enriching and engaging activities are premeditated, keeping in mind an interest and aptitude of the students. Such activities would enhance a child's personality by inculcating skills like team spirit, endurance, problem solving, and many more. The curriculum of pre-primary grade is carefully planned, keeping in mind various significant pedagogical strategies like enhancing the development and education of children through playway method, encouraging children to develop confidence, self-esteem, and feeling of being valued as an individual, promoting social, cultural, intellectual, and physical development through skillfully structured activities, preparing them for a smooth transition from preschool to core school, observing regularly, planning for each child's progress. Last but not the least, to honor parents' trust that each child would be nurtured at the caring hand and under the loving guidance of the teachers. To achieve the aforesaid target, full cooperation and support from the parents are required in each venture that we plan for our dear students. It is highly essential that parents and teachers work together as a team to give maximum support to our children. As Swami Vivekananda said, I quote, "Education is the manifestation of perfection, already present in a man. Let us all pledge to support our little one and embark upon this journey of modulating them into the responsible citizen of tomorrow." In this coming week, our teachers will be sharing the curriculum-related activities through WhatsApp that will help children in diverse areas of development. The resource will be in the form of personalized videos, YouTube videos, suggested activities, and fun games. We request you to practice them at home. Remember, it is very important to spend quality time with your work and be an integral part of his or her growing up. Do tell our children that a home away from home is eagerly waiting for them, to take them in a loving embrace. Before I take your leave, I would like to introduce to you the dynamic and efficient team of pre-primary wing. Thank you, Om Namah Shivaya.
Om Namah Shivaya. Hello kids, how are you? Hope you're fine and well.
I'm Jyoti Hanan.
I am Varsha Sharma.
I am Lata Shivkumar.
I am Poonam Saxena.
I am Ms. Gagandeep Paul.
My name is Urvashi.
My name is Asha Kanaushia.
My name is Deepshikha Khatri.
I'm Neha Sharma.
I am Prithivish.
My name is Smita.
I am Smriti Singh.
I am Deepak Chaudhary.
I am Preeti and I am a special educator and counselor for pre-primary.
I am class teacher. I will be teaching you all subjects.
I am the class representative for nursery section and also the class teacher.
I am the class representative of KG and class teacher of KGB.
I am the class teacher of KGB
and I am the class teacher of KGC.
We teach students through playful methods
like storytelling, puppet shows,
indoor and outdoor activities, etc.,
which creates a joyful environment, creative games which encourage imaginations, expressions, creative skills among children, demonstrating the dance move and dance choreography, which give them immense exposure and attention. It is fun learning through different ways of teaching.
I support holistical development of children along with the mainstream teacher, and I'm also there to support the parents whenever they need me.
And I will be taking the physical education classes for pre-primary.
I welcome you all to Amrita family. As we all are struggling with the global crisis of COVID-19, our teachers will be doing all possible teaching through electronic medium till we resume regular school.
We all nursery teachers work as a team on activities related to the curriculum and execution to provide firm foundation for our children. We will be sharing teaching resources in the form of YouTube links, personalized videos and fun games. We have already uploaded the activities in our school website, so kindly go through the activities and help your ward to learn the same. Amma says,
Amidst sorrows, the only thing that enlivens us is optimistic faith. Never lose that faith. Think positive, stay blessed.
I hope you're enjoying teaching at home. If you have any doubt, any query, you can get in touch with us on WhatsApp.
Hope you all are taking care of yourselves. Please stay at home. Be happy, be safe. I will be in touch with you soon. Till now, bye bye. Take care.
By the grace of Sadguru Amritanandamayi Amma, our little blossom will be groomed so that you spread love, compassion and serve the society. Sadguru Amma says, and I quote, "The future of the world lies in the hands of younger generation. Our children are the flowers of tomorrow. They should spread their fragrance and beauty throughout the world." I am your Vice Principal, Mrs. Chumbu Chakrabarti. Let me tell you that at Amrita Vidyalayam School, you have the utmost caring torchbearers. As a team, your mentors will leave no stone unturned to make you the future generation intellectually sharp and also guide you to strive towards Sadguru Amma's dream to give you the best holistic education. As an inclusive school, Amrita Vidyalayam will give you immense opportunities to not only excel academically but even in sports and games. Here at Amrita Vidyalayam, teaching and learning ultimately leads to the long-term well-being of our children. Blessed all, it is an effort of your mentors to impart an enduring and interesting learning through creativity. We at Amrita adopt the playway method to develop the aesthetic sense and the life skills of our children. Let the Amrita Vidyalayam lead the whole world intellectually and spiritually, and let Amma shower her blessings onto us to achieve this. I culminate by extending my heartfelt gratitude to the Honorable Management, Principal Ma'am, on this occasion. Blessed parents, be a part of the Amrita Parivar. Lokaha Samastaha Sukhino Bhavantu.